Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling down to access additional settings. Now select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Keyboard. Finally, click on Theme section, scroll down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available ones. Click on the best one for you. In my case, this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit Apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, you can do that by going into the same settings and tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, select one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, like Downloads. You can pinch your photo to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap on Done. Lastly, manage key borders and tap on Apply. If you want to delete one of your keyboards, click on the chosen one and tap on this pin icon next to key borders. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to edit one of your custom ones, click on it, tap on this pen icon next to the pin one and make your changes. Then click on Save again and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!